Kids, in simple introduction naman, short introduction. Taekwondo is a Korean martial arts, okay? Mostly, we practice yung Taekwondo courtesy, yung bowing. Tuturo namin ni Kuya Momo yung bowing. Simple bow lang. Feet together, put your hand on your side, and then bow. Ganun lang. Okay? Before and after we do Taekwondo, we practice. Okay. Sige. Everyone, so once in a while, makakarinig kayo ng Korean terminologies when we do commands. Para talaga nagta-taekwondo na talaga kayo. And lahat naman, yung iba naman sa inyo nagta-taekwondo na. Sige, Kuya Momo, let's start. Start tayo. Face them. Yan. Okay? Mag-start tayo sa proper taekwondo training, which is chariot chumne and then meditation. One up. Okay, ako. Everyone, si Kuya Momo na mag-lead. Then everyone will count, okay? Sige. And arms, open arms, warm-up exercise for jumping jacks. Okay. Sige, go, begin. Sabay-sabay ang bilang. Ulit. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Lahat magbibilang. 6, 7, 8. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isa pa. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jump in place. Go! Kailangan natin gawin ito para maiwas kayo sa injury, para hindi manakit yung mga muscles nyo. Go, Kuya Momo. In place lang. Jump in place lang. Sige, go. Warm up lang muna tayo. Go. Para hindi kayo mabigla. Okay? To avoid injuries. Yan. Go, go, go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing your arms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adjust ka dito. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. One more. Up naman. Up. Ready. Go. 1. Kuya Momo. Yan. Tama yan. Go. Yung baywang ha. Iikot ng konti. Yan. Ganon. Open legs. Wider. Wide. Yan. Ibukan nyo ng konti yung paa nyo. Yan. Go. Count. Kuya Momo. Bilang. Okay. Then next. Arm rotation. Ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lahat magbibilang. 6, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next lang. One side lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Bending. 1, hawak sa tuhod. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. You can place. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hindi siya mababa, nakaganyan lang. Oh, and count. Go!
Dali, count. Dali, count. Count.
Puro ka dito. Puro ka dito.
Dali,
Yan.
dali.
Okay, mas mababa. Yan, kamay sa floor. Good job. Ganon, oh. And count.
Dali, count. Count. Dali. Dali.
Begin. Ate, kabila. Kabilang pa. Okay, up yung tuhod nyo. Ay, ano nyo, ha? Yan, ready? And gawin natin. 1 to 8, 8 to 1. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ako, forward stretch. Tingin dito, tingin. Bababa yung kamay. Bababa yung... Go, count. 6, 5, 4, 3. Dahan-dahan, ibababa yung... 6, 7, and go! 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Twisting. Oh, twisting yung shoulder. Twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ganyan.
Dali, dali. Dali.
Kabila naman. Kuya Coco, yung...
Dali, buka, buka.
Slowly, diretso lang yun. 3, 4, 5. Touch your toes. Touch, touch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. O, dito ka sa likod. Dito ka, dito ka, dito. Para makita ka dito. Okay. Ganyan lang. Yung pinakakaya lang, ha? Huwag masyado, ha? Pag masakit na, tama na. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and dahan-dahan uupo. Uupo si Kuya Coco. Tapos magmamassage siya. Mamasahihin yung paa para ma-relax. Yan, massage. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Atras ka konti. Atras. Show. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 7, 8. Kabila 5, 4, 3, 2, and butterfly. Yan. Yan, may shaking na. Ganyan naman. Follow, follow. Yan. Okay? Madali lang yung ginagawa natin, di ba? And then, bababa lang yung ulo. Forward. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. O, foot to chest, Kuya Coco. Yan. Okay, yung kaya lang ha. Huwag mo masyadong galahin. Baka masakit. Ready, and that's it. Good job.
Fit hawak.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kabilang pa naman. Ready, and go. Yakap.
Right daw, right.
Kaya lang ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Ganun, no? Kuya ko magkatamaan kayo. Magkakatamaan. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, kabilang pa naman. Ready? And go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and okay. Sige. Relax.